all the dignitaries to Rainbow School. Before we begin with the program, I request all the dignitaries to pay tribute to General Bipin Rawat.
General Bipin Rawat was India's first CDS. He unfortunately died in Kunur, Tamil Nadu. The IAF helicopter Mi-17V5 was crashed with General Bipin Rawat of CDS, family members and staff on board. He walked in the footsteps of his father, as his father was also a part of the Indian Army. He graduated from Defense Services Staff College, Wellington, and the Senior Command Course of the United States Army Staff and Command College, 4th Leavenworth, Kansas. A strong woman is a woman determined to do something. We have a strong woman who is gentle, educated, humble, compassionate, but stern at times, passionate and disciplined. She is none other than our director, Mrs. Padma Subramaniam. Ma'am, I invite you to deliver the welcome address to this splendid gathering.
Thank you, Ashrita and Anjana. A very happy morning to the dignitaries in the front row and all Rainbowites over here. It's a happy day for all of us to celebrate because it is time for our cherished dream to come true of raising the NCC unit in our school today. So a big round of applause to all the teachers who have really put in their efforts to make this happen, to the interest of the students which really made us to think, the parents who were always requesting for it, and the NCC battalion leaders who made it possible for us to have this unit raised in our school today. There is respect in air here because we have two leaders in uniform with stars. Whenever people walk around with uniform and stars, you really get that kind of feeling that you need to respect them because they're really working hard in the borders to safeguard us. I bow in respect to the leaders over here who have always been there in the borders to safeguard us. And today you are here to train the young men and women to go into the path of following these great leaders. So thank you so much, sir, for sparing your valuable time being here with us. NCC, National Cadet Corps. I have been hearing about it since my school days, I would say. I would personally talk a few sentences here. I had to travel to school every day by bus. And there was a parade ground which comes in between. And I always watched the parade of NCC cadets with awe. The crisp uniform, the brisk walk they used to go with, always made me feel why I am not there in NCC. I am from a complete girls' school. So we didn't have NCC in school in those days. But fortunately, our school had Bharat Scouts and Guides, which is yet another voluntary organization like NCC. NCC is a tri-service voluntary organization with Army, Navy, and the Air Force, isn't it? This is very well known. This actually has some history to look into. When we peep into history, NCC actually started in the 1668 in Germany. And later, it took its origin in India in 1948 under the able leadership of Colonel Kunzro. He was the person who recommended NCC in schools and universities. In fact, I would say there was only military training given in those days. And after that, even the services of the NCC cadets were taken during the war between Pakistan and India. It is actually the second line of defense, I would say. So this is the kind of importance that we have for NCC. Later, our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, he wanted to take this NCC to the next step. So he formulated a curriculum for NCC, and he also included community development and social service activities in NCC. So from then, NCC has never looked back to encourage young men and women into a path where we could really work and develop the nation for. So NCC is a privilege that our school has received today. And I think each one of you here need to work hard to make it a point that you get into it. Right? So there are only few seats available as such, only 50 seats available, and they have the last decision to take who is going to be selected. Grade 8 and 9 will be eligible because you need to cross 13 years of age to get into NCC. And there are other criteria which the leaders will look into. Right? NCC is not merely a certificate which will help you in the future. It may give you a kind of eligibility to look into if you are interested in defense forces in your future, or it may be a fraction of eligibility for your professional courses in the future. But more than that, I feel if you are an NCC candidate, you are taught to be strong, confident. It will instill leadership qualities. It will also teach you how to take orders with a smile. You need to be confident, strong enough, and get rougher and rougher when situations go tougher and tougher. This is what NCC trains. And I do hope our students here will take this initiative as an opportunity and work hard, because just getting into NCC is not going to completely fulfill. You need to work hard, put in your best efforts to get the best certificates so that these certificates will help you reach your goals in your future also. So wishing you all the best and welcoming once again the dignitaries over here for this inaugural session. I take leave. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think we can all agree that being a part of NCC or even one of the armed forces gives you the discipline nothing else in life does. Thank you, ma'am.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. And we have one such leader with us today, Colonel P.K. Pandey, Adam Officer of NCC 24A Battalion.
Now we request Colonel Pandey to accord us the permission to raise this NCC unit in our school. Thank you so much, sir. The only way we can develop a nation is by teaching the children. And that is something that I am proud to say is taught at our school. We are told to be disciplined. We are told to be a team player. We are told to respect elders. We are told to respect our youngers. Everything is taught at our school, and I am so very proud to say it.
Felicitation should be done to someone who is worth the praise, and Colonel Pandey is just that person. I request our correspondent and our director to honor our chief guest with a memento. Thank you, sir and ma'am.
We are successfully done with the formal event. We now request the dignitaries to move to the NCC room for the inauguration. Jai Hind.